Hey guys, it's Itsisaactech here. So today we're going to be talking about work laptops. The kind of laptops that you should probably be using for school or for work that aren't too expensive like a MacBook and maybe not as, shitty or, not as terrible as a Dell Inspiron or something, I don't know. But today I'm going to be unboxing a DeLL 7400 Latitude laptop. This is meant to be the ultimate business laptop. So let's get to it. Okay, finally get to use my knife. Although, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? Open. It's not opening, guys. It's not opening. Okay. Really struggling right now. Woo. Okay, we got the box open. So the whole thing about this laptop is that it's meant to be the best for working from home. It's meant to be the best business laptop in terms of durability, and I ordered it off Amazon and I didn't pay that much for it actually. So it comes wrapped in this little box. Obviously this is the Latitude 7400 pack. Pretty cool. I mean, this isn't Apple or anything, but this is the wrap that it comes in. You're gonna love unboxing these. You just gonna love it. Like I said, it's not Apple or anything, but if it's wrapped in a paper bag, I'll take it. There's the laptop. Just before we open that up, you have the warranty, which nobody's ever going to read. Where's the charger? There we go. We've got the charging part here. Okay. This here as well. Not bad. Just simple, yes, just simple 65 watt charger. So 65 watt charger packs quite a punch. Not bad. So that's that. Let's open up this bad boy. So this is a 14-inch laptop and it doesn't look like a 14-incher. As you can see here, it has a fingerprint sensor. It's a Core i7 processor, or Intel Core i7 processor, with a VP Pro protection. It also has this right here, where you can open and close the webcam. Look here. Not bad. Actually, that's pretty cool. Very nifty. Very needed. Very much needed. What do we have? We have an SD card slot, you have a USB port, you have a little part, I don't know what this is for. Obviously you have your headphone jack. I think you can also put in a SIM card so you can have remote access. You have a SIM card over here. You got an HDMI port, you got another USB port, obviously the charging station, and I think this is for the dock as well. It's not too bad. This Latitude 7400 is very much a slept-on machine. It has a bit of weight to it. Like I said, this would not be your Apple Mac 16-inch or whatever, but this is a nice laptop. You can tell that they utilize the scissor switches and the keyboards. Very nice and clicky. Very nice and clicky. I look forward to reviewing this and taking it for, I'm really just benchmarking and see what we can do with it. It's a good laptop. There we go. Anyways guys, it's Itsisaactech here, and there you go, an unboxing.
Sitting throwing rocks across the